Okay, I wanted to show everybody exactly what I did to create my birthday card. I actually basically just I mean, not, I'm sorry, not birthday card. Hello, I wanted to show everyone what I did to create my first app. I basically used the image from birthday card and after that, I also went on and just basically did set it up a linear layout. I included the image. I also included the text underneath it, and I basically did everything with pretty much the same padding and layout, width and height was match parent and wrap content. All right, that's pretty much what I did to create it. Thank you.